Hey guys, I'm Sean Maddox. I'm the video content producer here at Motorcycle.com. Recently published, I'm going to protect my eyes, recently published a video review of the Insta360 1R action camera. That's what I'm talking to you through right now. One of the things I didn't cover in my review was the audio performance. I intended to, but honestly, this camera is packed with so many features and has so many cool accessories and different things you could do with it. And the review turned out so long, I just forgot to mention the audio performance.
Now this is the audio adapter on the GoPro versus the one on the Insta360. The GoPro one's a bit of a monster. Not a huge fan of that. Don't know why they couldn't make something smaller, especially for an action camera. This little adapter here on the Insta360 clearly wins in the design department compared to the GoPro unit. We can do a straight up comparison test how both these cameras handle wind noise. I'm gonna unplug the mic cable now from the GoPro so we can hear the GoPro's inbuilt microphone compared to what we're getting out of the Insta360. About 70 miles an hour. Both have these protective foam camera cases on them, which if you're gonna try to get good audio with an action camera on a motorcycle that's moving, definitely highly recommend it. Okay, so now I just plugged in the lav mic that's inside of my helmet onto the adapter on the Insta360, and we're gonna take a cruise through this park here, away from all the freeway traffic, away from a lot of other vehicles, and see what kind of sound we get. Now, another thing that Insta360 offers, they have a lot of different ways of manipulating your footage in camera and with the app. They also have some filters or processors for audio. One of the things they do is have a voice accentuating filter as well as an action accentuating filter. Not really sure what the action one does or what it's filtering out. The voice enhancer is pretty self-explanatory. The idea behind that is wind noise, or I tested it once in my car to either enhance voice and bring down background noise or enhance action. Those are available on the Insta360 Studio desktop software.
They also offer an in-camera wind noise reduction. Found the performance of that a little bit lacking. The problem with it is it greatly reduces your audio gain levels, so you're having to go back in and adjust the levels to even everything out. So the next few scenes, I'm going to have some of me riding, some of me talking before riding. Pay attention to the audio levels. I set the levels to one setting, so you're going to hear part of the scene gets very quiet, and that's the wind noise reduction kicking in and reducing your audio levels. Right now does it a bit excessively. I think they do need to go back and fine-tune the software for that.
Go ahead, boys. Go on, Obi. Get out there and have some fun. right, guys, that wraps up this little supplementary video for the Insta360 1R action camera. Hope that answered any questions we left out of our original video on what the audio performance is like.